Oh yes, another update. Buff Del Capo here. I want to talk a little bit about a couple of things. First of all, the Valiant, which is behind me. This car has really turned into a nice car. I start it up and drive it, and take it to the store, take it get groceries, take it to went up and bought some nuts and bolts yesterday at the hardware store, and it always starts, always runs well. Front end's a little loose, but really it's a pleasant car to drive. It's pretty nice. Uh, the next thing I want to talk about, I'm going to lean on the Valiant. The next thing I want to talk about is the snake. Remember the snake? Well, Kim got up this morning and says, "Hey, the snake's in the bathroom behind the toilet." So I went and looked, and sure enough, snake behind the toilet. So I asked Kim to get a plastic tote, and I was going to put the snake in the tote, and I was going to get her to video it. So I said, she got me the tote, and I said, "Grab your camera, get the phone, get the phone." Well, then the phone rang, and she had a call she had to take, and it was important, and so was getting the snake in the tote. So I got the snake into the tote. We didn't get it videoed, but so I tipped the tote on its side and herded the snake into the tote. It's a lid that clamps on there pretty tight, and then we put the tote in the back of the Jeep and drove off to a couple of miles from here by the Cumberland River, and that's on this video a little further along. We gave the snake a new home. So that's my update. I'm gonna cross the street since they don't have traffic.
Okay.
There's courses and some other traffic.
Got our snake.
Okay, you ready? Are you videoing?
Yes, I'm videoing. Well, that was pretty.
He went under?
Yep, he's gone.
He's gone.
Bye, snake. There's some
There's
woods.
the wood. He got under the wood.
And there's a bunch of leaves, and there's the river. Isn't that
A
nice?
lot of these mice and rats and rodents
Yep,
and water.
yep. I'm sure there's already plenty of other snake friends around as well. What you building?
A skid steer cage. I don't know what you call it.
Safety cage.
Safety cage? Is that what it
Safety first.
is? I missed.
Missed.
That's ugly. Now what happens, I could feel the trigger sliding. My finger's sliding off the trigger, and I was trying to keep that from happening. Well, don't show, that's so ugly. Okay, I need help.
I'm showing everything.
Better, I guess. as I go. Ugly.